Page 72. Unit 8. Graduation Day. Lesson 1. Adjectives. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Boring speech.
2,
Bored audience.
3,
Exciting award ceremony.
4,
Excited award recipients.
5,
Interesting performance.
6.
Interested guests.
Page 72. B. Listen and number. Then talk about the picture. 1,
We have come to the end of another school year.
2,
Mr. Hill said the same thing at Megan's graduation 4 years ago.
That's right. I think he says the same thing every year. What a boring speech.
What a bored audience.
3,
Isn't it amazing what these students can do?
Everyone is so talented. This performance is so interesting.
I think this is the best school performance I've ever seen.
They're doing a great job. The guests are really interested.
4,
Congratulations, Emma! This is such an exciting award ceremony.
It sure is. Look how excited the award recipients are.
5,
I can't believe I got this award for science.
I studied hard, but I still can't believe I got this award for math.
You worked hard for it, Emma.
You did too, Mike.
Page 73. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
This year the speech is boring, but last year it was even more boring. This year the audience is bored, but last year they were even more bored.
1,
This year, the speech is boring, but last year, it was even more boring.
2,
This year, the audience is bored, but last year, they were even more bored.
3,
This year, the award ceremony is exciting, but last year, it was even more exciting.
4,
This year, the award recipients are excited, but last year, they were even more excited.
5,
This year, the performance is interesting, but last year, it was even more interesting.
6,
This year, the guests are interested, but last year, they were even more interested.
Page 73. D. Listen and say. Then practice.
The speech is boring this year, and it will be just as boring next year. The audience is bored this year, and they will be just as bored next year.
1,
The speech is boring this year, and it will be just as boring next year.
2,
The audience is bored this year, and they will be just as bored next year.
3,
The performance is interesting this year, and it will be just as interesting next year.
4,
The award ceremony is exciting this year, and it will be just as exciting next year.
5,
The guests are interested this year, and they will be just as interested next year.
6,
The award recipients are excited this year, and they will be just as excited next year.